Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get refund on Nintendo Switch Eshop. To start the process, open your Safari browser. Now search for Nintendo Support. Here, click on Nintendo Support. Welcome to Customer Support. Now search here, Refund. Then click on Refund Request for Download Game or DLC. Now read the information and click on Contact Us. Select a region from here. From here, you can contact them. You can also contact them through chat, text messages, and phone call. That's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.